right place. Discover ways to control that frizzy hair, hide things that shouldn't be seen, and give your curls a unique twist. Emily is creating a playful home display for the upcoming holidays using craft wires. Is there anything else we could use them for? This coil effect could really come in handy. Yeah, I think she got it. Emily is going to use 24 crafty wires for her hair. First step, firmly hook the wire to the very top of the strand, making a small knot. Secondly, wrap your hair and the wire around each other. Third step, repeat the first 2 steps until your entire head is covered. Alright, Emily, go ahead and grab that well-deserved beauty sleep. The craft wires need some time for the coil trick to take in effect. Good morning, sunshine. Now simply remove all the wires by unwrapping each strand. This would take you around 10 minutes or so. Or you can take a magical shortcut. Easy, isn't it? Oh wow, check out those curls, girl. You look mesmerizing. Madison is about to go out for the... Oh no, look at that huge pimple. Why does this always happen at the worst times? Okay, stay calm, girl. Check your purse, maybe a drop of foundation will do the trick. Yeah, right. There's no way this thing is giving up that easily. We need to cover it somehow. Maybe if we try to hide it with some hair. Madison might have found a way to cover her forehead while creating a cool hairstyle. First, grab the top section of your hair and make a high ponytail. Use a hairband to keep it intact. Before we do anything else, create a space under your top ponytail. Twirl the bottom section of hair and pull it through the hole. Thread the tail through the front evenly to make some cute bangs. Use 1 or 2 bobby pins to keep everything in place. Tidy up and brush it off a bit. Madison looks cute as ever with her banged ponytail hairstyle. Don't worry, beautiful, your secret is safe with me. Anna is about to take off for a girls' night. She's definitely feeling a curly hairstyle for today, but seems like her daily curling iron isn't up for the task. Time for another old school life hack. Grab a water bottle and empty it out. Stay hydrated, people. Use scissors to remove the very top of the bottle, just enough to drop our hair through, and cut a rectangular shape close to the bottom. I know all of this seems weird, but bear with me for a minute. Anna is about to show us how it works. Simply drop a piece of hair inside and blow some focused, hot air through the vertical hole. The pressured air will swirl your hair into a curl inside the water bottle. Oh wow, Anna, I can't believe it actually worked. Emily got a bit too invested in her game, and her date is now waiting for her outside. Hurry up, girl. That hair is a mess. You can't go out looking like this. Jess, please help us out. Don't worry, Emily, relax. First, let's brush through the hair and put it up in a ponytail. We can use a chopstick to divide our ponytail into 2 parts. Connect the 2 ends using a hair tie and split the ponytail once again. Add another hair tie and this time, braid the remaining pieces. Lift up the braid and lock it in with a bobby pin. Remove the chopstick. We won't need it anymore. Lastly, add a small flower accessory. It's done! Amazing! Thanks, Jessica! You've saved the day. Jessica is prepping for a rock concert and is using eyeshadow to make her eyes pop. So far, so good. She'd like to take her look up a notch by adding some colored hairspray. Unfortunately, it looks like the can is completely empty, leaving her as a damsel in distress. But luckily for us, Jessica might actually be able to use the same eyeshadow powder to color her curls. Simply take a curl and glide the eyeshadow powder along the hair, repeating the process with all the colors in your collection. The best part is that it's just as easy to remove as spray. One shower and your hair will be as good as new. Lastly, in order to keep the powder in place, add some regular hairspray for shine. Those colored curls sure do make you look like a teen rebel. Jessica, it looks like you're ready for that punk rock concert. Madison would like to start tomorrow off with a new look. She's using her old hair curlers to spice things up, which is all good until you finally run out. We need to find some sort of alternative to make this work. The only thing in this drawer is a bunch of unused sponges, which is actually the perfect last resort hair curler. Simply roll your hair around the sponge from bottom to the very top. Fold it in half and attach a rubber band to keep it firmly intact. Use as many as you need for your hair and have a spongy dream for the night. The next day, feel free to remove all the sponges and spread out those curls. You're rocking that look, Madison. Anna is doing her hair for a gallery event she's having tonight. Maybe an old school twirled bun will do the trick. We'll just enhance it with a single blossom accessory, which might be a bit too much. How about a bow tie? Oh yeah, that looks lovely. Sadly, it looks like the corner is quite dirty. No worries, we'll make our own bow tie instead. Grab all your hair and make a high ponytail. We'll need 2 hair bands to keep it secure. Wrap the hair bands around your ponytail once and stop halfway through the second one, making a hair loop. Divide the loop into 2 sections and leave them. Braid the remaining tail by splitting it 3 ways. Back and forth, there we go. Lastly, lift it between our loops to create a bow effect. Secure the whole look using a couple of bobby pins. Tidy up, and you're done. Anna is ready to turn some heads with her cute, elegant bow tie hairstyle. Good luck, girl! Emily and Jacob are enjoying a late-night horror movie. Although Emily doesn't find them scary, her hair begs to differ, and Jacob prefers his popcorn hair-free. Did someone just lose their appetite? Emily's hair is all over the place. Various factors such as cold weather or headwear can cause your hair to go nuts. Grab a single wet wipe and place it over your hairbrush. Press the wipe down so that the bristles pop through. Now, simply brush through your hair as usual. The wet wipe will moisten your hair, putting all that chaos back to a sleeker state. A bit of moisture is just what you needed. Oh, here she comes. Let's get back to the video, shall we? Perfect. No more of that hairy mess we experienced before. Jessica is about to head out for a jog. Unfortunately, once in a while, every jogger has to face the home key issue. In this case, what do you do when you don't have any secure pockets? Grab a fluffy hairband and use small scissors to rip the seams on one of the sides. A couple inches should be just enough. Remove the sticker backing and attach a couple of long Velcro pieces to the insides of your band. Feel free to store your keys and your cash inside. Just fold it a couple of times and that's it. There we go. It only took us a minute to make a secret wallet. Although this hack delayed our jog for a couple of minutes, we're back on track. And this time we have a unique and secure hairband pocket to store our home key inside. After an intense jog, Jessica stopped at a local bakery. Nobody will have a clue you are hiding money in that thing. Yummy! Getting those calories back is the best bit. Who doesn't love these midday naps? Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, and we wouldn't want to be late for that event we're supposed to go. Yes, last-minute makeup fixes like eyelashes or lips are doable for a busy girl like you. But wait, are you serious? Is that greasy hair? No time to take a shower now. We gotta use Grandma's old baby powder hack. Add some sparkle on the very top, rub it in. Done. This'll work for now. Time to run. Hey Panda lovers, I hope you enjoyed these hair hacks. Let us know which of them you're going to use next in the comments down below. If you want to learn more, feel free to check